I want to talk about different sorts of ownership, and I'll be talking about 4 basic way people own land. Number 1 is the most popular, which is the purchase method, which means you see a house or you see a land, you like it, and you take your money, then you go and buy it. That is a form of ownership. You take your money and you go and buy it. That is popular. There's nothing to explain more about that. That is what is common. And the second one I want to make reference to is through gifts. Somebody like you so much, and the person tell you, okay, I like you, let me give you this land. I remember some couple of years ago, that should, if not up to 15 or 16 years, no, more than that, up to like 20 years ago, because I've been married for over 8 years. So, and I did that stuff when I was still single and very single. I think it should be around 15, 16 years ago. I bought a particular land. I was not into real estate then, and I had a feeling to give that land out. The urge was coming, but who do I give this land? I did not know. So, and I bought the land without going to the land. So I now called my aunt that helped me to buy the land, that I want to go and see my land. And as I went to the land, then as I was going, I saw one man. The man greeted the person that was taking me to the land. And the minute I saw the man, I just had peace. And immediately, when I got to my aunt, I told my aunt, I saw a man, I don't know the man before. And the son said that, you know the man. I told my aunt that when I saw the man, I had a peace, or I have that feeling to give that land to the man. And behold, the man, and my aunt told me that same man was the one that saw the land and told my aunt to buy. Then my aunt did not have money. My aunt now told me to buy. So, but I had that feeling to give that man the land, and I gave the man the land. I never knew that the man was a pastor. The man has been praying that God should send someone to give him land. And behold, I gave the land to the man. And what I did then was just to give the man the receipts, and there was an agreement between me and the man that the land now belonged to the man. That kind of gift, that was a gift. That is a form of ownership also. Another method of ownership is those who settle upon a land. Most of Nigerian land is like that. You hear them tell you that we've been in this land since 1944. We've been in this land in 1900. So, and because they've been there for years, maybe through migration, they're the first to get there, and their forefathers were there the first to get there. So, automatically, that land will be named after them. You see, village so is named after the first set of people that came to that particular axis. So, and the government recognized that as form of ownership. Who that settled in the particular land first, that claimed that possession first. So that's also a form of ownership. The last part of ownership is through inheritance. Your father or your grandfather have large portion of land and gave it to your father. Your father also had those large portion of land and gave it to you. And recently, similar thing happened to me. I never knew that my father had several land. I never knew. I went to the village recently, and when we got there, my sisters were saying, your father, they were telling me that they heard that my father has so many land, and I don't frequent the village. I'm confessing. So my dad's sisters said, okay, they want to come and show all the children, because we went there as a group. They want to show us the land. And it took us to different land. I was even tired when they took me to several land. I say that my forefather, who was a very strong man, when he died, he transferred the ownership to my dad. My dad is still alive. So, and now my dad is showing me all the land. And that type of land is inheritance. If my father is no more in future, that means that I inherit the land from him. Likewise, that is the same way he inherited that land from the dad. So that is how it was. So these are the 4 types of ownership. These are 4 ways you can own land. So somebody will ask, what about government allocation? There's exchange of money somewhere. As far as exchange of money somewhere, it is purchase. It's the exchange of money. If there's no exchange of money, that means that it is allocated. Allocation is form of, okay, you are giving for a purpose. It's for a purpose. So there's hidden transaction somewhere, and government don't just give you a land. There's an hidden agenda somewhere, or hidden business somewhere which you might not know. So they are giving you so that you can do something. They can also term those kind of allocation as gifts too, because they are giving you to do something, or they are allocating you pay a token. So it depends. That is a different form of way you can get ownership, or ownership can be gotten. So watch the next video.